how to add and manage payment methods in Whatnot. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add and manage your payment methods in the Whatnot app. So let's dive right in. Open up the app and head over to account in the bottom right corner, and then you can see payments and shipping option. Tap on it and then tap on add payment method. Now here you can see you can add either credit or debit card, PayPal account or Apple Pay. So you can just tap what you want to add, and then something like this will load up. So if you're putting in any card, you can put in a card number, the date of expiry, the billing address, and then hit save payment method. And that's it. Now, if you have already added a payment method and you want to change it, then you can do the same. You can come here and tap on the pencil-like icon and edit the payment method. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.